Hi, my name is Lori Dutton. I have been an avid soccer player since I was a child. I was a gymnast in my younger years, and progressively through the years, it unfortunately took a toll on my spine. In addition to that, I have been coupled with degenerative disc disease and bone genetic disorder, which resulted in some serious discomfort and pain and some numbness and tingling down both of my legs. I went to a chiropractor in February of 2012, and the chiropractor sent me to have an MRI, and the MRI resulted in, unfortunately, a condition that was a very rare condition of a bone fragment that had broke off into my spinal column. She was unable to assist me, and as a result referred me to one of the most amazing surgeons I have ever been referred to in my life, Dr. Courtney. And I get very emotional about it because I truly believe if it wasn't for Dr. Courtney, I would be paralyzed today. Surgery was performed in my lumbar in March of 2012. Where he went in and removed the fragment from my spine and also repaired the disc that had ruptured. I also had a condition called spondylolisthesis, which in layman's is which is a condition in layman's called a slippage of the disc, which prevented the bone fragment from being able to come out. So it was basically just impinging in my spinal cord and causing this severe pain down my legs. Not only was Dr. Courtney surprised I was able to walk and stand, but the chiropractor was also surprised I was able to walk and wasn't paralyzed as well. After my surgery, literally the day after my surgery, I was up walking and was in tears of joy with night and day difference from the day before and the morning after surgery. And I owe it all to Dr. Courtney and his staff of just amazing effort and his skillful techniques of being able to remove the fragment very carefully without causing any further complications. I have a very good quality of life moving forward. Since that time, as I mentioned, I do have a rapid rate of disc degeneration and bone genetic disorders. So therefore, I did have another rupture in my spine, and because of his amazing efforts initially, I did go back to Dr. Courtney and have a second surgery in my lumbar at that time, and had success as a result of that. My sister had come to me not too long ago, I would say probably about 2 or 3 years ago, and she had seen a surgeon that wanted to cut her open immediately, actually, in her neck, which is your cervical area, and perform surgery right away, saying it was critical, and I had asked her to please see Dr. Courtney and get a second opinion. My sister went to see Dr. Courtney, and thank God that Dr. Courtney is not just willing to take money and cut somebody open at the drop of a hat, and is willing to really pay attention to what their condition is, their needs are. And my sister did not have surgery and did have physical therapy and have non-invasive procedures as a result of Dr. Courtney's suggestion, and is doing well. So as a result of that situation, she did not have to have the surgery. So I am once again very thankful for Dr. Courtney's trust and judgment, and I would send my daughter, I would send any family to him. And as a matter of fact, if or when the time ever comes again, should I need to have surgery, unfortunately again, because of the condition that I have, that's unfortunate, there's no doubt in my mind I would go to Dr. Courtney without a doubt. He is the only person that I trust with my spine. And he has an amazing staff of personnel, his physician's assistant and his office staff. They are always very responsive, they are friendly, they're knowledgeable, and very sincere. And you can tell when you go into his office that they genuinely care about you, not just as a patient, but they care about you as a person. When I go in there, I don't feel like a number. I feel just genuinely cared about. And that makes me feel just amazing inside, and knowing that I'm getting the professional care that I not only deserve, but that I need. I just can't say enough wonderful things about Courtney, Dr. Courtney and his staff, really. I just can't. So